There are two bands that form your backpack blower's harness. The cushion bands fit over your shoulders, allowing you to carry the blower on your back. There are specific left and right side bands, so it is important to purchase the correct bands when placing your order. Replacing the band assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old band from the blower. The band is secured to the top of the blower with a clip. I'll pull the clip away from the band and then slide it out of the loop. Now I can pull the band away from the blower. The lower portion of the band is secured to the blower with this metal loop. I'll use a couple pair of pliers to bend the loop open so I can release the band. And now I can install the new band. I'll hook the new band through the link and use my pliers to tighten the link back up. Now I'll place the fabric loop over the top of the slot and thread it back through the slot from the back side of the blower. Then I'll slide the clip through the inside of the loop, locking it in place. Next, I'll take the strap, loop it through the handle, and I'll secure the strap to the hasp. And that's how easy it is to replace the right band assembly on your backpack blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.